going to be showing you how to change out this old double patio door, so make sure you stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. So this double patio door seems like it's still brand new, but if you take a look inside, it's starting to rot, especially on the bottom portion. I'm going to change out this old wooden double door into a vinyl one. So vinyl is going to last you a very long time, so something to consider if you're going to change out your old double door. Some of the things to think about before changing out your double door. First off, this should be a two-man operation. You can probably do it by yourself, but it's going to be really hard, especially a double door. It's very heavy, and you want to plan out a good weather for this day. You don't want to change it out when it's raining the next day, because this could be a full day operation if you plan on tackling this. So with that being said, let's go and tear down this door right quick. Let me show you how we're going to demolish it. We are changing out the sidings on this. That's why we haven't done this part yet, but we're going to go and remove this double door because it's starting to rot. You can see the old owner of this home took out the overhang and it's just dripping, and there's no gutters on the back. So this has been pretty much rotting on the bottom because of the water that's been accumulating there. So we're going to take this out. We already cleared the bottom, but we're just going to take it out from its hinges, and let's take it out door at a time to make it easier for us. What we're going to do to make it easier for us, we're going to take this door out of its hinges on one side and do the same thing on the other side. It's wood. It's pretty much all rotted right there. It's wood that's wet. So now that we got the doors taken out, let's take out the door jamb, the frame. If you look through the door frame, there are some 3-inch screws that are hidden under there. So this one I took out, so we should be able to pop this out. Another thing is you want to look at the caulking on the outside, get your box knife, and just score it. Just run your box knife through that caulking. What's holding that down was this insulation foam, maybe some great stuff. So we gotta go and scrape this off. So notice we have a frame here all the way around, but then we have this siding that's in the way. And if you look on the inside, it's about a 1-inch lip. So we have to go take our circular saw and cut about 3 inches so that we can expose that frame. I'm going to put this flashing tape right around the corner. It's by Pella, same brand as our door here. I'm going to use DAP Extreme Stretch right on the bottom. This is what we're doing, the 150 series. It's all vinyl. And measurement is 72 by 80, which is perfect from our rough opening. Now we got everything positioned. We're gonna go attach some screws on the edge. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one last weather stripping on the outside over the screws. So now it's time to install this keeper so that we can fully close this sliding door. So what I like to do is I like to place the keeper right here, probably around where this dot is on the edge, because when you close it, that's where it latches to. So we're going to take a shim, place it right on the back. So we're now on the inside, and you see that there's a lot of gaps on the sides right there. For the bottom, we're gonna caulk, because we put that caulk in the bottom. But for these bigger gaps, there's gaps, I'm gonna use this Great Stuff gap and crack filler. If you need one of these and all the tools I use in this video, I'll leave the link on the description down below. So for this bottom, remember we put that caulking. We're just gonna make it look good and finish our caulking on the inside. So don't forget, friends, there's a little screw right here. This is the adjustment screw for the height of the door. So clockwise, if you want the sliding door to raise up, counterclockwise to lower it, and that will just easily adjust your sliding door so that it will run smoother on the track. Also one on the front. So if you can turn it clockwise to raise it, counterclockwise to lower it, and after you adjust it, it should run smooth and smooth like this. So there you have it, friends. That's how you install a sliding door like this. Super easy. Again, don't worry about the sidings. These will get changed out. That's why I'm not showing you how to connect your sidings. Stay tuned for a different video on that. And don't worry about the other side, because I'll be showing you how to put trim all around those gaps. Okay, friends? If you have any questions on how to install this, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be more than glad to answer those. But if you found this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.